Hello and welcome back to another video. Now, when I was digging through my wardrobe, I found my childhood iPod Touch. Now, it's mad to think how ahead of the time they were, these little devices. You know, camera, everything you could want. It were an iPhone without cell capability. You couldn't obviously make calls on it until they added FaceTime. I'm really glad I didn't put a screen lock on it. But let's have a look through it with me. So I've got my old Spotify on there, iTunes, App Store, all that. See what music I was listening to back then. A lot of Nirvana. Christ, did I like Nirvana back in the day. Artists, who's on here? Adele, Aperture Science, Boogie to 988. You can tell I were a YouTube kid, by far. Black Sabbath. I had some good taste, to be fair. NWA. This is all the workings of a 11-year-old kid. So, yeah, Will I Am, Triad Ninja, yeah, Minecraft kid. Minecraft style. Christ almighty. Yeah, dear. Look at the old Gumtree. That's what the Gumtree logo were like. The old Instagram logo. Now these are all signed off because they're not on the network. We have other stuff: Terraria, Doom. I can remember Doom didn't run well, but it did run. Street Fighter, Flappy Bird. This is one of the few Apple devices left with the original Flappy Bird on it. Which sounds of it. Remember when people were selling them for far too much money on eBay? Well, I think that day's come and gone now. The screen, I've got to say, I know the Retina technology were meant to be good at the time, but it is amazing to say this were meant to be the cheap device. Apple do outdo themselves. I had an Android phone at the time and it was crap. I remember that. Really. What I'm more bothered about is my old Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now I think it's been updated from the last version I played, like on this actual device. I know they've stopped supporting this device now. They must have done donkeys years ago. I mean, it's running iOS 6, the last one before the change from skeuomorphism. Is that how you say it? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I don't care about Wi-Fi. See if I can find any of my old worlds. Let's see if I remember any. Don't exactly load in fast. Yeah, there's no on that. It's not a snippy device by today's standards. Now, Minecraft Pocket Edition used to run a lot better than this. I don't know if it's just a nostalgia, but I think that they updated it a bit too far. Trying to keep up with trends. They were scared of letting go. So we'll look at world. What's on world? Because my main world on this was literally running from the first version of Pocket Edition. Yeah, this isn't it. Whatever it is. Look at that lag. The lag's insane. Yeah, I think Minecraft's a bit past it. The old girl. Now this got thousands of hours of use. It really did. And it was a brilliant little device in its day. I mean, I absolutely adored it. So let me show you the camera on it. Let's see what we can get out of it. This is the old girl's camera. Now, for reference, let me get some random objects for quality. It's an iPod, classic 6th gen. You've seen it on another video. Yeah, that's dead. That helps. Xbox One controller. It gives a nice retro aesthetic, I'll be honest with you. If you ever want to add retro aesthetic to your videos, iPod Classic, that's where you go. Or iPod Touch 4th Gen, that's where you go. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, check my other ones out. My other ones are a bit more high effort. This was just a play around because I'm excited I found this old iPod. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and goodbye.